Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Time to Cook. I have a wonderful slow cooker recipe for you today. Oh, these are some of my very favorite kind of meals. I love them because you can just dump your ingredients in a slow cooker, turn it on and walk away. And I've got a lot on my schedule today. I'm really busy, so this is a perfect day for me to use my slow cooker. And I am making a baked potato soup. So good, so thick and creamy, cheesy, bacony, delicious, comforting soup. But before I show you just how to make this delicious soup, I just want to let you know that I do share delicious recipes every single week. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel if you have not already. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new recipe, then just hit that little notification bell right underneath of this video, and also give me a thumbs up. So in this bowl, I have right around 4.5 pounds of peeled and diced Idaho potatoes. Now, just a little tip for you. I actually peeled and diced them last night, covered them with water, and then put them in my refrigerator. That saves you a lot of time, so you don't have to get up in the morning and peel and dice all your potatoes. You can do it the night before. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drain this water off, and then I'm going to put them in my slow cooker.
To the potatoes, I am adding 1 onion that I diced, and then I'm adding 1 quart of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm just going to stir and mix this all together.
Okay, my potatoes have been cooking for right around 5 hours, and they are nice and tender. So now it is time to add the rest of the ingredients, and I'm talking cheese and bacon. So you can't go wrong with that, right? I do want to go over the cheese with you. I shredded a 8-ounce block of mild cheddar, and I just find that this cheese melts a little bit nicer than if you were to buy the bag of pre-shredded cheddar cheese. You can also use the processed Velveeta. That melts really nice as well. I know that's not the most healthiest, however I use that also at times. And if you prep this a day ahead, like your cheese and your bacon, it also just saves you on some time. And then I have my thickener, which is butter, flour, and half and half. Let me show you how I made this.
To a glass measuring cup, I'm adding 1/2 stick of butter. I melted it in the microwave, and now I am adding 1/4 cup of flour. And then I'm just going to give this a stir until it's combined. And now I am adding 1 cup of a half and half, but you can use milk if you prefer. Now I'm just going to give it another quick stir, and then I'm going to put this into the microwave for 1 minute. After it has cooked in the microwave, another quick stir. And then I'm going to pour it over my potatoes. And now I'm going to gradually start adding that cheese, stirring as I go. You never want to just dump all your cheese in at once. You want to gradually add that cheese. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sour cream. And I'm finally going to add my bacon that I have cut up and fried. It was around 4 pieces of bacon. Then I'm just going to cover this back up and let this cook for about 10 minutes.
This soup is definitely a family favorite, and I love the slow cooker version. It really does have it all. It is so cheesy and creamy. Delicious. I really hope that you give this recipe a try. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more recipes.